I'm Arman. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to grow pepper from seed to harvest. Did you know you don't need to get pepper seeds from the store? You could just get it from here. See? Whenever you're touching pepper, don't forget to wear gloves. Or you could just use the cotton gloves. You just need to break this and put it upside down so it can land in a bowl. Let me show you. Like this. Take the full one and make it into half. Let's sew them here. Cover them with dirt and then let's water them. Cover. Now let's water them. This is what you get after 17 days. This is what it grows into 25 days. This is the time you could transplant them. You could either dig with a shovel, a garden shovel. If you don't have any tools, no problem. You could just use a spoon. Also dig and transplant them from roots. Do you know what transplant is? Transplant means move a plant to another place. After 2 months, this is what you get on your chili plant. First comes the bud, then comes the flower, then comes the big flower, and then a small fruit, then it comes into a little bit bigger fruit, and then comes into a huge fruit. Look how many chilies I have got. Let's count the chilies. 1 over here, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4 in the back, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9, and then 10, and then 11, and then 12, and then 13, then 14, then 15. A lot of them. Let's harvest them. Here's one chili. Here comes another chili. I don't want to break the chili. Here's another chili. And another one. Another one. Another one. Now, my harvest. If you don't cut these green chilies, they become into abracadabra red chilies. you could break them and break off the seed and grow a new one, new plant. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye guys, happy gardening.